I'm Linda Ellis, and I'm the President, CEO, and owner of Capital Concierge. Our company was actually founded in 1987, and I purchased the company in 2007. Capital Concierge provides concierge service in commercial office and high-end residential properties, as well as large corporations as an employee amenity, and shopping malls. Our company's product is service. We provide concierge services to hundreds of thousands of people every day. We're the ones who solve the problems. We're the go-to people. Our employees are our competitive advantage. We just recently won the National Capital Business Ethics Award, and that's an award that really looks at the employees. It's our competitive advantage today, tomorrow, and will always be, because we're only as good as the last person we served. Our customers like working with Capital Concierge because we do what we say we're going to do when we say we're going to do it. One of the nicest compliments I ever received was from a former customer, and he said to me, "I did not realize how hard you worked." And I thought, wow, what a compliment, because a customer should never know how hard we work to make things happen. Another customer told me, "You're the kind of vendor that I can count on. If I call you at 3 a.m., you'll be there with me." We differentiate ourselves through service. If you ask any of our customers, they would tell you, if you want true service, you have to call Capital Concierge. We make sure that we're serving every client as if they're our only client.